Now, in yet another high-profile exit from Infosys, Executive Council member Stephen Pratt has stepped down today. Remember, he headed consulting at Infosys before becoming the head of utilities in North America a few months back. Let's go across to ET Now's Chandra Srikanth, joining us from the IT Hub Bangalore with more details on that. Chandra, good to have you on the show. Now, tell us, the churn really continues at Infosys.
Right. After Basa Pradhan and Ashok Vemuri, yet another high-profile name, Stephen Pratt, who's quit Infosys after a 10-year stint at the company. Remember, he was head of consulting, a very crucial portfolio, also executive council member. But in recent months, after the reorg, his position was reduced to that of head of utilities and resources in North America. So in some sense, people thought that it was inevitable that, he should either get a weightier portfolio or he will step down, because head of utilities and resources in North America is really a big come down after being head of consulting. So the consulting role has really been reduced in Infosys. Kakal has overall oversight over all functions now. So it was inevitable in a sense that Stephen Pratt will step down. But this certainly the latest in a long line of exits after Narayan Murthy returned to Infosys. We'll have to wait and see what else is in store, if this is the end of the churn or if there are more names to come. But clearly yet another high-profile exit from Infosys.